Hey, take a picture of me real quick.
Alright. Sure.
They're not cooking me at no grill. Alright guys, welcome the other way. Slide this bad boy all the way to the back. Same thing to this. All the way to the back. You're gonna slide this tube inside. Press up against that.
You ever think about making like how-to videos?
I thought about it.
Like when you do the jobs, like how to build this?
Yeah, like kind of like that guy that does tools.
Yeah. And I feel like that probably definitely pull in a lot more different viewers.
That's what my channel's called, How To.
Like yeah, even if you just titled it like that, like how to build a grill homemade.
Oh, how to build a grill?
Yeah, that probably get a lot of views. You know, by people that want to know how to build grills.
More, and that'll be good, and we split it the difference. So it'll be directly in the middle. Let's go make this thing happen, y'all. Oh. Why are you looking at me like that? Alright, so my amazing student slash helper has did a great job with cutting these really good. So good thing, you know, he's been working with me for about a year now. So yeah, he's been doing a really great job. He learned a lot.
He wants a raise.
Yeah, we'll talk about that when he starts welding. Anyways, if you guys think I should give him a raise, y'all leave a comment down below.
Remember, everything he puts together is right perfect.
Oh, dang.